Accessing shared calendars with a Google Service account and the Calendar API. Introduction. If you're using a Google Service account to access Google Calendar data, you might notice unexpected behavior such as seeing the service account's email instead of your personal calendar or getting 0 calendars when listing them. This happens because service accounts operate independently and don't automatically have access to a user's calendar data. The problem. When calling calendarService.calendarList.get primary, the returned calendar summary is the service account's email, not your personal calendar. Listing calendars with calendarService.calendarList.list.execute returns no calendars, even though your personal calendars are shared with the service account. Why this happens? Service accounts have their own calendars, unrelated to user accounts. Sharing calendars with a service account does not make those calendars appear in its calendar list. The term primary refers to the primary calendar of the authenticated account, in this case, the service account itself. How to access your personal calendars with a service account? Use the actual calendar ID, usually the email address of the user, instead of primary. List events by specifying the user calendar ID. For multiple calendars owned by that user, example family calendar, you need the calendar IDs. Shared calendars are referenced by calendar IDs, which often look like an email address but can be different. You'll need to gather these IDs manually or programmatically via impersonation. Important tips. Impersonate the user with domain-wide delegation if possible. If you own a Google Workspace domain and have admin rights, you can enable domain-wide delegation to impersonate a user and see their full calendar list. Simply sharing a calendar with a service account does not populate the calendar list. You have to query calendars explicitly by their IDs. Avoid using the calendar summary as an identifier. IDs are required. Summary. Service accounts have their own calendars, so primary points to the service account's calendar. Shared calendars won't appear in calendarList.list under a service account. Access user calendars directly by calendar ID, user's email. Use domain-wide delegation for full calendar list access in Google Workspace. By correctly specifying calendar IDs and understanding how service accounts access calendars, you can effectively interact with personal and shared calendars via the Google Calendar API.